guys, welcome back. So today we got 3.5 GV80. Customer complained about check engine light. You got a history code for cylinder number 2 misfire. So what I did, because every time it comes here, there's no misfire at all. So what I did is, this is our bank 2. So in here, this is our cylinder number 2, and then number 4, number 6, the other side will be bank 1 through 135. So the backstory of this one is I got open circuit on the injector, direct injection, right? I'm gonna show you guys the direct injection. It's a new one to me. So this is how it looks like, the direct injection, the new style. So got an open circuit to the injector itself. It was tricky to diagnose that because every time it comes in here too, the misfire is not happening, or when I was checking the circuit I can't find anything. And then at that moment, or on one time when I was just checking around before I replaced the injector, I saw that this cylinder, injector number 1, was on an open circuit. So today we're gonna be removing our so what I did so what I did was, because I cannot duplicate a misfire, from cylinder number 2 ignition coil, I just swap it to number 4. So that's one way that you will find out which component is gonna fail, because when it came back the third time, I get a code for cylinder number 4. So I know for sure that is our ignition coil, because the misfire transfer from one cylinder to another cylinder. So today we're gonna be I'm gonna replace both ignition coils, right? So we're just gonna remove this air box here. So we're just gonna be removing this. It's just all clips, and this one will just pop out straight. Okay, so now we have an access now, right? These connectors here, I think this is a new kind of style connector. There's a clip, the locking clip, and then after you pop out that gray part there, you can push on the tab and you can remove it. So right, same thing on the number 4. Now this one is a little bit tight. Just gonna use a 10mm there. So I'll do this side first. So I'm using a swivel socket here, quarter. Oh, that's tight. So the misfire on this guy here is so intermittent. Even right now, when I got the car to replace this ignition coil, I didn't feel any misfire. There's no check engine light. So I don't know. And because this is our demo car, so my boss is complaining already that why this car keeps failing, or something is going on, right? Oh no. So so right now we're just gonna be replacing this ignition coil here, and then we're gonna just check on our scan tool if we have some codes, and if we have, we're gonna clear it. Here's our number 2.
just called the bearing? She told me to ask you.
Yeah, strut mount and bearing.
I only got the bearing.
So here's our new one, right? I'm just gonna put in there. So this one, the angle of the spark plug is kinda funny. So we're gonna be careful on this. Oh, that's reverse. Okay. Okay. We're just gonna put our bolts there. Okay, so our bolts are in. Just gonna thread this in. Now we're just gonna tighten this. Okay, and then don't forget your connector. Okay. I'm just gonna put this air box right now. Okay, so now we're just gonna go inside the car and check our scan tool. So it's a 2021 GV80. So I'm just gonna go check our engine side. Okay, the history there. So yeah, cylinder number 4. But right now it's showing injector open. Okay, it's different now. I wonder if we get another problem with the injector. So let me just clear this. Or it could be that there's a misfire and it shuts off that injector just to, stop dumping fuel. I don't know. We'll see. So yeah, as of now, I'm just gonna let it go for now like this. Someone's gonna drive it because the misfire doesn't happen all the time. So we'll see. If it doesn't come back, I guess this is the end. And if it comes back, I guess I'm gonna make another video. So other than that, yeah, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and that's it. Thank you for watching.